Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pure air product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and disconnect it from the outlet to disconnect the power. You'll need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to get started. On the back of the unit, use your screwdriver to remove the screw from the rear cover, found above the DC power adapter input, and place the screw in a secure location so you can find it again. Squeeze the sides of the rear cover until it releases and tilt the rear cover slightly upwards while pulling. Once inside, there are 3 filters that need to be removed for cleaning separately. Remove the mesh filter first and disassemble it by separating it from the plastic housing. You can do this by gently pulling on the sides of the housing. You can clean it in one of 2 ways: water or compressed air. Once clean, set it to the side and remove the foam filter and follow the same procedure. Finally, remove the honeycomb filter and again, do the same. Ensure all of your filters are dry before placing them back into the pure air. Unplug the ARC cell connected to the rear of the unit using the white connector and remove the ARC cell from the unit. Use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner hose to clean the dust out of the ARC cell. It is important to not use any liquid to clean the ARC cell, as this may damage your unit. Use a cotton swab and a little isopropyl rubbing alcohol to clean the ionization needle. It never hurts to use a little compressed air around the needle to help prevent dust accumulation. To clean the purification plate, remove it from the unit, then use a 50-50 mixture of warm water and clear ammonia. Use a soft bristle brush to scrub the center, rinse underwater thoroughly. Soak the purification plate for 1 to 8 hours, depending on the severity. Allow to completely dry before reinstalling. To clean the interior of your unit, you may use compressed air, a vacuum cleaner, a damp cloth, or a clear alcohol-based cleaner to remove any dirt, debris, or contamination from the walls and components inside of the unit. To reassemble your unit, place the ARC cell back into its designated spot and plug it into the white connector. Insert the purification plate and ensure it's snug. Reassemble the filters and reinsert in the reverse order that you removed them. The honeycomb should go in first, then the foam, and then finally the mesh. Place the tabs at the top of the rear cover and gently fold it down until it's flush with the unit. Lightly press in until you feel the tabs click into place. Carefully insert the rear cover Phillips head screw that secures the filter cover in place and tighten it just until it's snug by hand. Plug the DC power adapter back into the rear of the purifier. Once the unit is on, you will need to reset the Perform Cleaning Maintenance reminder by pressing and holding the button until the reminder goes away. It will return after 30 days of use. Once complete, set the unit back to your desired setting and continue to enjoy your amazing purified air. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once per month to ensure that your pure air is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.